What's up, everyone? Today I'll show you how to integrate your Webflow frontend with a Django backend. This allows you to use Webflow's design capabilities with Django's powerful server-side features. Let's get started. First, design your site in Webflow. Once your design is complete, export the code. Go to Project Settings and click Code Export. Click Prepare Zip and download your site's HTML, CSS, and JS files. Now, set up your Django project if you haven't already. In your Django app, create templates corresponding to your Webflow pages. Copy the HTML from your exported Webflow files into your Django templates. You'll need to adjust the HTML to work with Django's template language. Replace static asset paths with Django's static file tags. Place your CSS and JS files in your Django's project's static files directory. Update your settings.py to include the static files configuration. If you have forms or dynamic content, modify the HTML to include Django forms and context variables. Run your Django server and test the integration. This process allows you to use Webflow's frontend while leveraging Django's backend capabilities. And that's how you connect Webflow with a Django project. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Links to resources are in the description. Catch you next time.